Man would say romantisch. And like Finnish man would say romanttinen. What is romantic in French? Romantic. That's what this next song is. Romantic.
Ripping up your engine, listen to her howl and roar. Needle under tension, thinking you to touch and go. Highway to the danger zone. Heading in the twilight, spreading out her wings tonight. Got the jumping off your neck, shove it into overdrive. You never know what you can do until you get it up as high as you can go.
That's right, Danger Zone.